Hey there, wonderful people. Buckle up because we are going to discuss the beauty of intermittent fasting and its profound impact on our well being. First off, let's address the age old notion that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. What if I told you that this advice might not hold true for everyone? In fact, emerging research suggests that when you eat could be just as critical as what you eat. It's time to debunk some myths and uncover the truth about meal timing. As a medical doctor and practitioner with over 1.5 decades of experience, I have personally witnessed the first-hand evolving landscape of health and wellness. From rising rates of obesity and diabetes to the prevalence of preventable diseases, it's evident that traditional approaches to nutrition are falling short. But fear not, because I am here to introduce you to a game-changing concept that could transform your health for the better. Let's start by dissecting the traditional wisdom surrounding nutrition. For years, we have been told exercise more and eat less in order to maintain a healthy weight. However, this simplistic approach fails to address the complex interplay between our dietary choices and metabolic health. It's time to move beyond the calorie counting and embrace a nuanced understanding of nutrition. Enter intermittent fasting, a dietary protocol that has gained immense popularity in the recent years for its impressive health benefits. But what exactly is intermittent fasting and how does it work? At its core, intermittent fasting involves cycling between the periods of eating and fasting with the goal of optimizing metabolic function and promoting cellular repair. One of the key principles of intermittent fasting is meal timing. Unlike traditional diets that focus solely on what you eat, intermittent fasting places equal emphasis on when you eat. By strategically timing your meals and incorporating regular fasting period into your routine, you can harness the power of your body's natural rhythm to promote the fat loss. Along with that, it can also help you to improve your metabolic health and enhance longevity. So why does meal timing matter? It all comes down to our body's internal clock known as the circadian rhythm. Our circadian rhythm regulates a wide range of physiological processes including metabolism, hormone production, and appetite regulation. By aligning our eating patterns with our circadian rhythm, we can optimize our metabolic health and promote overall well-being. But intermittent fasting isn't just about weight loss. In fact, research suggests that it offers a multitude of health benefits beyond the shedding pounds. From improving insulin sensitivity and reducing the inflammation to enhancing the brain function and boosting longevity, intermittent fasting has emerged as a powerful tool for promoting overall health and vitality. One of the key mechanisms behind the health benefit of intermittent fasting is autophagy. Autophagy is a cellular process that involves the removal of damaged or dysfunctional components within our cells. During fasting periods, autophagy is upregulated, allowing the body to clear out cellular debris and promote the cellular renewal. This process is thought to play a crucial role in various aspects of health, including immune function, tissue repair, and aging. In addition to promoting autophagy, intermittent fasting also stimulates the production of ketone bodies, which are alternative fuel sources that are produced by the liver during periods of fasting or carbohydrate restriction. Ketones have been shown to have a wide range of health benefits, including improved cognitive function, increased energy levels, and enhanced fat burning. But perhaps one of the most intriguing aspects of intermittent fasting is its ability to promote metabolic flexibility. Metabolic flexibility refers to the body's ability to switch between the different fuel sources such as glucose and ketones, depending on the availability of nutrients. By regularly cycling between periods of eating and fasting, intermittent fasting trains the body to become more efficient at burning fat or fuel, which can lead to improved metabolic health and increased energy levels. Now you might be wondering how to incorporate this intermittent fasting in your daily routine. The good news is that there are many different fasting protocols to choose from, allowing you to find the approach that works best for your lifestyle and goals. Some of the most popular intermittent fasting methods include the 16-8 method. The 16-8 method, this involves fasting for 16 hours each day and eating all your meals within an 8-hour window. The second one is 5:2 diet. With this approach, you eat normally for 5 days of the week and stick to your calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Third is alternate day fasting. As the name suggests, this method involves alternating between fasting days and non-fasting days with some variations allowing for limited calorie intake on fasting days. Regardless of which fasting protocol you choose, it's important to listen to your body and adjust to your approach accordingly. Start by gradually increasing the duration of your fasting period and pay attention to how your body responds. If you experience any adverse effects or discomfort, consider scaling back or trying a different approach. In addition to fasting, it's also important to focus on the quality of your diet during eating periods. Opt for nutrient-dense whole foods that provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Prioritize lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrate to fuel your body and support overall health. When it comes to breaking your fast, it's essential to do so mindfully and with intention. Start with a small nutrient-dense meal that includes a balance of protein, carbohydrate, and healthy fat. Avoid processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive alcohol, as these can disrupt your body's metabolic balance and negate the benefits of fasting. As you embark on your intermittent fasting journey, remember that consistency is the key. While intermittent fasting can offer numerous health benefits, it is not a quick fix or a magic bullet. It requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to embrace change. But the rewards are well worth the efforts, as intermittent fasting has the potential to transform not only your body but your entire life. In conclusion, intermittent fasting represents a paradigm shift in our understanding of nutrition and health. By harnessing the power of fasting, we can optimize our metabolic health, promote longevity, and unlock our body's full potential. So why wait? Start your intermittent fasting journey today and discover this incredible benefit for yourself. Your body will thank you for it.